Welcome to Ontario Public Library Week. Chatham-Kent Public Library is hosting a virtual how-to festival. Learn something new in 20 minutes or less. We have a whole week of activities for all ages to participate alongside us as we post your videos on Facebook and YouTube. How-to kits for some of our activities will be available. Kits will include supply lists and instructions for you to follow along. Numbers are limited, so registration is required. To register, you can call 519-354-2940, text 519-401-7174, email cklibrary@chatham-kent.ca, or register in person at any one of our 11 branches. Come along and have some fun with us.
Thank you for joining me for today's How-To Festival session. My name is Stefanie, and today we're making natural, non-toxic 2-ingredient slime. If you've picked up a kit from Chatham-Kent Public Library, you'll already have the first ingredient, cornstarch. But don't worry if you don't have a kit. You can head to your pantry and you'll probably find cornstarch there. It looks like this. The second ingredient that you'll need is water. A cupful will do. You'll also need a bowl and a spoon. Pause the video and go gather your supplies. I've gathered my supplies and now we're ready to make slime. We're going to be using approximately 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part water. So put some cornstarch into your bowl. Came out a little quick there and got all over my hands. All right, perfect. Ooh. The key to making this slime is to add the water very slowly because we don't want our slime to be too runny. So we're gonna add a little bit of water and then start to stir your cornstarch. Ooh, you're gonna notice that it's getting pretty thick right off the bat. We might need to use our hands here in a minute. So we're just gonna stir, try to get all that cornstarch wet. So you can see it's starting to get clumpy. So I'm gonna add some more water, just a bit. And then, oh, I'm gonna mix that in. All right, so I think I've got it as stirred as I can with the spoon. It's hard to get it all in there. You can kind of break it up too, but I think I'm gonna just put my hands in there. All right, let's see. Here we go. So this slime is so cool because it's a non-Newtonian fluid. So what that means is it's not always the same consistency. So let's see. Oh, I can roll it into a ball. So you see I have a firm, pretty solid ball, but then when I stop moving it, it dissolves back into a liquid. So you can just get your hands in there and feel the different consistency of it. Feels really neat when you hold it in your hand and you have a ball and then it just dissolves into a liquid. You can also add food coloring to your slime. This slime, when I hold it here, it's almost solid. We made it earlier. But I'm gonna, oh, there we go. I'm gonna pick it up and get it liquidy again. And then show you my blue slime. Here we go. Make our ball. Ooh, this one's falling apart. Oh, there we go. Gotta get it nice and liquidy again. And it crumbles, but then it dissolves It is very, very cool slime. If you enjoyed making slime today, you can visit any Chatham-Kent Public Library branch to borrow other books about making slime, like Slime Kitchen Experiment, The Slime Book. This book has 30 different recipes for making slime. Make Your Own Dancing Slime. Gooey Science Experiments. Super Bouncy Ball Kitchen Experiment. I wonder what would happen if we tried to bounce our slime. Do you think it would bounce? You'll have to try it. And 30-minute chemistry projects. Thank you for joining us for Chatham-Kent Public Library's How To Festival. We'll see you at a library branch soon.